back everyone to Learning Phonics. I am Apurva and today we are going to learn the long sound of the vowel U. So we have seen in the previous episodes the long sound of vowels A, E, I, O. Now we are only remaining with the last vowel, that is U. Okay, but U is a little difficult. Okay, so we are going to do it in two parts. Okay, two parts, because it has, see, what happens is with a long U vowel is going to say two different sounds. Okay, as I have earlier, I think we have discussed this, not in detail, but I have just mentioned that the U vowel has two sounds. One is U, as in you, okay, the name, and the second one is the oo sound, oo, okay, oo as in this oo. All right, so U and oo, so we are going to cover it in two parts to have a better understanding. So let's get started with the first part. That is, the first one we're going to have is U. Basic, right? So U letter, the U vowel is going to say its name, okay, instead of the sound, the short sound. So first one is going to be is U, mu, z, I, music. Okay, see how U has said its name, not its sound, not its short sound. Okay, so in a different video we are going to cover why S says Z sometimes and not S. Okay, so that we will cover in another episode. So the next one is U, N, E, T, unit. Next one we're going to say is U, human. So human. All right. Number 4 we are going to see is U, N, E, or unicorn. Okay. Why don't you tell me the fifth word that you can think of which has letter U, which says its name, not the short sound. Okay. Number 2 we are going to have here is U consonant E. So like I have said that every vowel has a U consonant E, so U also has it. Okay, so number 1 it's going to say U. Okay, number 1 is U consonant E, U B, cube. Number 2, U consonant E, U Z, use. Number 3 is U, huge, huge. Okay, number 4 will be U, mute, mute. Okay, so U, E, here is also U, E, here is also a U, E, U consonant E, U consonant E. Okay, so this is how you have to say. Now number 5, you can tell me in the comments below that if you know a word which has U consonant E in it that says its name, that is U. Okay, okay, so the third number is U E. Okay, so now U E has two sounds. Okay, so basically whatever we are learning, that this U is going to have two sounds. One is going to be U, जो हमने सीखा था, and the second one is going to be oo. All right, these two sounds, everything is going to have these two sounds, be that U consonant E, U E, U, or whatever we're going to learn. So here UE is going to have two sounds, that is U, the other one is oo. Okay, if you're taking notes, I hope you are taking notes, you better write here A and U. Okay, so this one, all these letters are going to say U sound. U, it's going to say its name. Okay, so UE is going to say U, as in R, E, S, U, rescue. See, number two we're going to have is U, fuel. So the next one is S, A, B, D, U, subdue. Number four is AR, says the R sound, R, G, U, argue. Fifth number, now everybody knows. You are going to tell me in the comments below if you know any word that has U E letter in it, which says the U sound, not the U sound. Okay, U. Next one, which is fourth, we have EW. Again, EW will be having two sounds, that is, one will be U and the other one will be U. Number one is U, few. Okay, it's saying U, not U. Okay, it's saying U as in U, few. Number two, mm, mm, U, mew. Number three is E, U. EW says the U sound of view. Number four, we will take cur, U. EW says the U sound, curfew. And number five, you can tell me in the comments below if you know any word which has the letters EW, which makes the U sound, not the U sound. I hope you all have understood that the long sound of U, first one is U. U as in, U says U, music. Then U consonant E is there, then U, E is there, then EW will say U. Okay, so in the second part, we are going to cover the U letter sound, which says as oo. Okay, this. So I hope you have liked this video. If this video has helped you in any way, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Peace.